Ayan guys, good morning to all.
Ayan guys, I teach you how to cook French toast bread. I learned it from my ex-husband. Welcome guys.
Tatlo lang yata.
Let's cook. I show you how to cook my French toast.
Si Over naman.
It's easy. Just
Paggawa ng French toast.
the ingredients is remain bread or
Gusto niyong
tasty
ulam.
or
Pero gusto ko hati.
pandesal or munay na Tagalog ko. Kaya kahit ano basta walang palaman na tinapay. Lagyan nyo ng favorite ko yung may tuyo, isang itlog. Pagsama-samahin lang guys, isang itlog, tuyo, fresh milk kung mayroon, lagyan ng konting asukal. Batihin nyo lang.